Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our Facebook living room and YouTube living room. Nice to meet you and Happy New Year 2026. Today is the first working day of the 2026 for us for you. So we are happy to meet our global partner here at the beginning of the new year. In the 2026, our focus remains the same: provide stable, reliable, and long-term metal manganese supply from China. Before we start, I would like to share an important market reminder. Before the Chinese New Year holiday, we think this month is usually the golden purchase the window. Because the factory has a more stable production schedule and logistics are more predictable. After the holiday, the price and the leading time of becoming more the uncertain. So, if you want to buy the ferroalloys or the other product, we think you can check the different supplier in China and have the Q1 the purchase time. Yes. So today let us introduce our the manganese metal. May I know about the manganese metal? Are you purchase the metal manganese for the short term using or for your the 2026 the plan? Mm. Yes, the first step, let us introduce our the manganese metal. What is the metal manganese? As we know, the metal manganese is not mined metal, but it is a critical functional element. It plays an important in determining the final performance of the many product. Let me show you manganese metal samples like this one. But about the manganese product, this product is simple is very heavy. The weight is very heavy. And the look like is very beautiful. Beautiful is the manganese fair alloy. Yes. So about the manganese metal, the manganese contact is very high and the carbon is low carbon, about 0.1%. And about the manganese metal, the carry fraction, the first is the dexidation. Is the metal manganese removal oxygen during the melting. This help improve puring and stability. The second, desulfurization. Manganese combined with the sulfur. This improves softness and reduce the cracking risk. The third, the shrinkage. Paper manganese control improve hardness and the wear resistance. Finally, critical structural control. This affect processing performance and consistency. And about the engagement questions about the engagement pattern. Have you ever used the same formula but still faced unstable product quality? If you have these questions, please leave the message and we will give you some the professional suggestion, and we can talk about this question. And if this question we can ask, we can answer you, and we can ask are the factory. Yes. Hi, hi Fiona. Nice to meet you. Welcome. And how are you today? And Happy New Year in 2026. And the next step, let us introduce why choose China manganese metal. As we know, the China has a very complete metal manganese industrial chain. From the raw materials to smelting, grading, and exporting. This helps ensure the long-term supplier stability. The China also has strong production consistency, so the factory run continuous production for many years. This reduces batch difference. Another key point is the cost performance ratio. Under the same period level, total procurement cost is more competitive. So international, the question is when sourcing the manganese, do you focus more on the price or the long-term the stability? This is also the good questions because we contact and talking about are the many of the silent because the some silent more the focus on the product the price. Yes. And some silent will the focus on the long term the stabilities. Yes. As we know, in the China has the old word is the what you pay, what you get. Yes. So if you want to buy the good quality, good stability, and good product, and so we can long time the comparison. So we think the price is the workable. Yes. Okay, about the manganese, about the metal manganese have the different shape. We have the manganese flex, manganese lamp, and manganese the briquette. Yes. So about the manganese flexes have the largest surface area. They metal faster or the reflect more effectively. So this makes them suitable for the price comparison control. Yes. Tablet application including alloy the melting and the fine chemical production. Have a good question is do you need the price pre-studying in your production process? And the other shape is the manganese lamp. Hi Peter, nice to meet you. Good afternoon and Happy New Year in 2026. Welcome to our living room. If you are interested in the metal manganese, please leave your the message. Yes, welcome. So about the manganese lamp have the higher designer. They have the lower oxidants losing during long melting. They are welding used in steel mills and the largest scale or alloy plant. So is your production continuous or the large batch melting? Yes. So we want to know you are the end user and are the trader. Yes. So if you are the end user about your the production is the continuous or the large batch melting. But if you are the trader, you have the flexed end user and the buyer. Yes. And do you have the star do you have the sorry sorry please hold on. Yes. So if you are the trader, do you have the warehouse? And when you are silent buy this product, you will buy you will buy these raw materials from China and from other countries for your silent. Yes. So about the customized manganese solutions. Because we have the some customer need customized particle size or the pretty. Other focus more on the trade element limit. Yes. So we can provide the matching solution instead of the standard product only. Yes. So if you are the end user or if you are the silent have the different requirement, please tell us. We can according to your requirement to provide our the product. And have you ever improved yield by the adjusting manganese specification? Yes. Okay. And let's in our the next step. Let us introduce our the metal manganese productions. Yes. About the metal manganese production process. Step one is the raw material selection. Selection. About the metal manganese production starts from the high-grade manganese ore. Yes, so the quality of the raw materials directly affect final purity and stability. So the China mean using the careful delicate manganese ore with the controlled impurity. Do you know whether your supplier control quality from the raw materials stage? Hi Luna, nice to meet you. How are you today? And Happy New Year in 2026. Welcome to our living room. If you are interested in the fair alloys, please leave your the message. Yes. Have a nice day. About the step two, about the electric process. Most hybrid metal manganese is a production by the electrics. So the manganese ore is first converted into the manganese sulfur solution. Then the manganese metal is deposited on cattle through the electrics. So this process or alloy the very precise control of the manganese purity. About the electric manganese usually reach purity level of the 99.7% or even the 99.9%. 9%. Hi Rosie, hi Rosie. Good afternoon. How are you today? How's the weather in your city? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in our living room. Have a nice day. If you are interested in the fair alloys, please leave the message. We will have the we will have the we will have the we will give the best suggestion. Yes. Hi Luna, nice to meet you. And the step 3 is the strip primary and processing. And after electric manganese metal is stripped from the castle plant. Then the raw materials will the shed out, then the washing and direct. This step is critical for the surface clean lines. Yes. So if control at this stage may introduce the surface impurities. And the stem 4 is the crushing and the sighing. Manganese sheets are the crushed into different forms, such as the flex lamp or the customized size. About the size control after melting speed, and reaction effectiveness. This is why different applications require the different forms. Do you choose the manganese shape based on the convenience or based on process needs? So about the different shape, we can provide the different lamp and the small size. This is the manganese metal lamp. And like this one, this is the small size. So if you need the metal manganese lamp, metal manganese small size, metal manganese powder, or the electric manganese flex, please tell us. We will according to the different shape and provide the best quotation. Yes. So the step 5 we will test in our the lab, in our the factory lab. We will have the chemical analysis. Each batch undergoes chemical composition test. Key elements including the manganese, ferrocarbon, sulfur, and the fueling. Consistency between the batches is more important than the single high result. This is especially important for the long-term industry user. So the step 6 is the package and protect. Metal manganese is sensitive to oxidation. So the prepared package help prevent oxidation during the storage and the transportation. Common export package included inner plastic flames and the strange outer counter and or jam. So the package can also be customized based on the customer requirement. And in the final shipment, only qualified speech are approved for the shipment. So about the export documents are prepared according to destination control requirement. This ensures mostly custom clearly. custom clearly. Yes. So in the living middle, let me share our the factory video. Yes. As introduced the production different and the interesting the fair alloys, please leave your the message and we can provide our the professional feedback. Yes, welcome to our living room. Okay, let me introduce like the Manganese lamp. Like this one, this is the Manganese lamp simple. And the Manganese lamp are the production by cutting or the crushing. The process focus on keeping high design and the low surface oxidations. So the last secondary processing is involved. And the application characteristic is the manganese lamp metal surely and shielding. They are suitable for the long times and the high temperature melting. The temp using is the steel mills and or the large alloyed furnaces. So is your the property stable feeding or the faster reactions? And about the manganese bells, like the manganese bells are the production by melting manganese materials and forming it into spherical shape. This process requires better temperature and the shape control. Surface oxidation control is very important. And about this shape, the production, the application characteristics is the manganese bells offer uniform size and the predictable melting behavior. The alloy are created as in automated system. So the typical use is the automated alloy production line and the precision metal logic. So do you use the automatic feeding system in your plant? And about the manganese blanks, the production process. The manganese flakes are the production by crushing electric manganese plant into thin the flakes. So this increased suffering are the significantly. This process focus on the size, uniform, and the clean edge. So the production applications characteristics is the magnet flex metal faster and reaction more quickly. They allow precise control of the chemical compositions, like the typical use fine chemical industrial and the high precision alloy production. So the grading question is do you need the fast reaction or the precise composition adjustment? So the different form of the magnets are not about the better or the worse, but about the suitability. The lamps focus on stability and the cost control. The bells focus on the automation and the dosing accuracy. The flexes focus on the reaction speed and the composition precision. So the choose the right forms helps improve yield and reduce overall production risk. So the next step, let us introduce are the China standard and the export standard. Type magnets pretty including the 99.7% and the 1990.9%. Check elements such as aero, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus are the strictly controlled. Each batch is inspected before shipment. For export, consistency is often more important than one-time test result. So, dual magnets, metal magnets quality only by magnets contact or by check element. Yes. About the check element impact, even every small change in check element can affect final performance. Higher error may reduce the pretty. The higher carbon may increase the prettiness. Sulfur and the phosphorus direct affect softness and the processing. This is why the application-based magnet cell estimation is important. So about our the export experience is we have years of the experience export metal magnet and the ferroalloys. We serve the steel mills, alloy plant, traders, and the end user. And we support FOB, CFR, CIF, and DAP terms. So we value long time commemoration over the one time the transportation. Yes. So about our the product, if you have any questions, please leave your message about our the metal magnets. So if you have any questions, please leave your the message. Okay. Okay. Let me introduce our company. We are the ion manufacturing, ion ferroalloys manufacturing. So do you know? So do you know the ferroalloy in China and in our city. And our city is a fertilized trader city. If you want to buy the different specification and the different fair alloy, welcome to our city and welcome to our the manufactory. And we are the ferrochrome, natural ferrochrome, the manufactory. And my background is our the finances. So about the ferroalloys, the chrome, ferrochrome, low carbon ferrochrome, middle carbon ferrochrome, and high carbon ferrochrome, natural ferrochrome is our the advantage product. So if you are interested in the chrome product, please leave your the message. We will provide our the best quotation and the advantage the quotation. So and about the manganese, seriously, the product ferroalloys product is also are the advantage product like the ferromanganese, low carbon ferromanganese, middle carbon ferromanganese, and high carbon ferromanganese. So about the manganese, seriously, ferroalloys product, we also have the silicon manganese. But you know the silicon manganese in the China market and in the global the market, this price have the different, yes. Or in the global market, we have the different price about the silicon manganese. But about the manganese in the global market, manganese seriously the product is also are the advantage product. Like the ferromanganese, like the metal manganese, like the electric manganese flex. Yes. So about the ferromanganese, we export the Asia, export the Middle Asian, export the European, export the South American. Yes. So if you are interested in this the fair alloys, please leave your the requirement, and you also can tell us your end user. We can provide suitable the specification. Yes. So about the other product, we also have the advantage like the calcium. Yes, calcium metal and the calcium metal and the calcium silicon. Yes. But about the manganese product. Hi, James. Nice to meet you. Welcome to our living room. Have a nice day. So about the experience and the professional suggestion. Yes. So about the transportation, we can shipping by car and shipping by train, shipping by sea. Yes. So we also have the regular silent yes, comparison by shipping by car and shipping by train or the shipping by sea. Yes. And we also have the customer from the Middle Asians. So this time we can shipping by sea, but we can shipping by train and we can shipping by car. Yes. So if you want to shipping by train, we can provide our the best quotation and the best shipping suggestion. Like the shipping by train or the one small carbon will put on the 25 tons the manganese or the other different fair alloys. But about the shipping by train, will according to the qualities. Yes, because we must be booking the carbon is the two carbon. Yes, two carbon. Two carbon is the one group. Yes. So about this, the MOQ is the 15 tons. Yes. But if you want to shipping by car, we also provide we also collaboration the customer and the shipping by car, and we will shipping to the different part in Iceland the shipping card. Uh, as the reference because if we want to shaping by the has customs, yes, we want to shipping by car, and we will transportation are the goods shipping the Xinjiang, yes, we will shipping by Xinjiang shipping port to Middle Asians. Yes, and we have the long time the collaboration. The shipping agent will provide the best transportation plan and the transportation suggestion, and will provide the shipping plan, shipping suggestion, or the shipping best quotation, and will provide the best shipping time. Yes. So if you are interested in the product, or and if you want to learn about the shipping specification and the different contact using the end productions have the different have the different functions. Yes. Please tell us. We will according to our the experience to provide our the best suggestion. But if you have the mm, more experience by us, so you can provide our the best suggestion. We will contact with our the manufacturer to adjust our the production line, adjust our the production the plan, yes, to production that meet your requirement. But about the qualities, please don't worry. When we production successful, we will test it by our the factory lab. Yes, if this the production meet your requirement, we will to crash it to pack it. But if there is the test result is don't meet your requirement, so please don't worry, we will production it again. Yes. So about the qualities, we will provide the meet your requirement the product, and we also accept the third parties inspections to our the factory, and we can send the sample to the third parties inspections like the SGS, like a BV, like the CCIC. Yes. So if we have the long time the collaborations, we choose you will the test the third party inspection the first time. Yes, because we have the many of the regular silent. When we first time comparisons, they will worry about our the production the qualities. Yes, so the first time will requirement the third parties inspection on our factory. Our we send the sample to the start inspection lab. Yes, but we have the long time the inspections. Mm, they they will check our the lab our lab the our lab the test. Yes, they will cost some. They will save some cost. Yes, because we accept the third party inspections, but this fee paid by the buyer. Yes. And we also accept the inspection the part China part, but we don't suggest Asian or the silent to make this inspection. Yes, if our the product don't meet the don't meet the third party inspections, we can't change the goods in time. Yes. So please don't worry. As the choose the combinations as the manufacturer. Yes, we can provide our the product qualities. Yes, because we are the manufacturer, we have our the manufacturer in there. If you have any questions and if you want to find us, you can find us the manufacturer. Yes, we also have the nature the fair chrome the manufacturing and are both building a new factory is the chemical factory. Yes, so now we production the ferroalloys, we also production the chemical product. Yes, so if you want to buy the ferroalloy, if you want to buy the chemical ferroalloys, please contact us. We can provide all the different goods, the catalog, or the website, and all the manufacturing videos. Yes, if you are interested. And we also will welcome to visit our the manufacturing. You can visit our the fair alloys manufacturing and will visit our the production line, and you can visit our the warehouse and our the corporations manufacturing. Yes, and you also can visit our the other manufacturing, chemical manufacturing. Yes, and are the factory office. Yes. So if you are interested in our companies, welcome to China and welcome to Anyang. Visit our the manufacturing. And so in the 2026, hope we have the good combinations. We will have the best good start to combinations. Yes. Hi Ida, nice to meet you. Have a nice day and Happy New Year in 2026. If you are interested in the fair alloys, please leave your the message. We will give you the best feedback. Yes. As we know, recently about the ferroalloys in the global market have the different price, have the different supplier, have the different the manufacturing. But if you are the end user, if you are the trader, you want to find the still able the supplier. We think you can check this company have the manufacturing or have the long-term collaborations manufacturing. Yes, because in China the large manufacturing will domestic. Yes, because the China also have the many different the the steel mills. Yes, so the largest raw materials manufacturing will first production is a domestic end user. Yes. As our the corporations as a corporation the manufacturing we can get the first productions and we can keep the qualities and we can provide qualities package and the shipping time. Yes. So if you want to OME your the package, OME your the specification, you can contact us and we have the time. We have the some time to talking about with you on the different specification. But if you want to buy the 1 tons, 10 tons, or the 25 tons, you can also ask us. Yes, because we can accept the three order is one tons. But if you but if you want to buy 10 tons or the 5 tons, you also can ask to us. Because as we know, the supplier, the MOQ is the 25 tons. We know have the small trader and the small the end user. The production, the yield is the small. Yes. So we can accept the small tree order. If you want to buy the small quantities of ferroalloys, please contact us. But we have the large quantities combinations. So we will have the small quantity becomes the large quantity. Yes. So if you have any questions from the qualities, shipping time, and the other questions about our the fair alloys, please leave the message and please contact us. We can provide our the professional suggestion and we will provide our the uh, best quotation. Yes, as we know, the price is a very important, very important by the ferroalloys from China. Yes, but we also have the many regular the silent will they will think the price is very important. But if the end user and their production requirement the check element like the such as the metal manganese. If you want the national standard manganese is the 99.7 or the 99 point 9. Yes. And about the carbon, the national standard is the 0.1%. But the production requirement, the carbon is the 0.05% maximum. Yes. So they need to find the good manufacturing to production again this product. Yes. So this product the price is will the workable. Yes, not is the cheaper. Yeah, but this price will the suitable their market and suitable their production cost. Yes. About as we know the ferroalloys in the global market have the different price, but we think and we believe if we keep our the quality, keep our the service, and keep our the productions, we can find our the still able and long time comparisons silent. Yes. So if you are the silent, and if you think you will be are the good silent, and we will have the long time comparisons, and we have the comparison three other conversations welcome, and please leave your the message, and have any questions, please contact us. We can talking about by the WhatsApp, by the WeChat, by the email. Yes, we can provide our the professional suggestions. Yes. So in the 2026, if you have any questions, and hope we have the good start about our the production. So if you want to buy the ferroalloys, please search the Jinxin Metallurgical, the ferroalloys company. But if you want to buy the chemical like the creatine monohydrate, you can research company is the ion cologne chemical new knowledge companies. Yes. And you can visit our the company website, and you can visit our the Facebook post, and we'll check our the YouTube the video, and have our this website have our the shipping video, have our the product video, and our the company video, and our the office video. Yes. You can find this video, you'll find the Tina. Yes. So if you have any question, and you are interested in our the company, welcome to leave your the message. Yes. Yes, find the workable the supplier, you will save some trouble. Yes. And in the 2026, if you attach the attach the exhibition in China, welcome. If you have the more time, welcome to our city, and welcome to visit our the manufactory. And if you in China, if you have any questions, you can ask to me. Yes. We will to help you try our best. Yes. In the end, let me show our the company videos. Yes. Hope you like our the company videos. Okay, in the end. Okay, in the end, please leave your the message in the comments and please call our company phone and please leave your the inquiries by our the email. We will follow up each the serious inquiries after the living seasons. Thank you. Thanks for your time and wish you have the stable and successful 2026. Okay, see you next time. And our email is info at the Titans. Please leave all the information and my background is our the website, our the email, and our the WhatsApp number. And you can visit our the website and leave your the inquiry by the email and you can call us and you can talking about us by the WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please contact me. Please contact us. Welcome to our channel, and we will glad to receive your the inquiry. So see you next time. Bye bye.